Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So excited for today's video because I'm going to share with you some really cool outdoor decor pieces that you can DIY using Dollar Tree supplies, and you can use them to decorate outdoors, on your front porch, on your backyard, on your front yard, I don't know, you name it. And I just hope that you enjoyed today's video. Let me know in the comments which of these ideas is one of your favorites. Make sure that you are subscribed and that you check all of the links in the description box, as well as all of my social media pages. Guys, I'm so excited for today's video. Hope you like it, and let's get started. Let's DIY together. Okay, let's work with this project for your Christmas tree decoration for outdoors. You're going to need this set of bowls. It comes these two in a set, and they have a pretty nice shape. So what I'm going to do is to stick them together. I'm going to be using hot glue, but if you want to put this outside, you can use a stronger glue, maybe like E6000 or super glue. Once I stick these two pieces together, I'm going to be working with bigger vases. I'm gonna get two of these planters from Dollar Tree, and I'm actually reusing these ones that I already have. I used to have like tomatoes plant inside. I don't remember, but they died anyway. I'm going to be using now these for this project, and what I'm going to do is to stick them with hot glue like inside of those bowls that I already stick together. What I'm trying to do is to DIY a pretty big vase for a Christmas tree, and I think this is a pretty nice shape that you can try. Once I have that part ready, it's time to paint the whole piece so that it can have just one color, and it's going to look so much better. And what I'm going to do is to spray paint these outside with this colonial red spray paint color, and then I'm going to let it dry. Once it is dry, this is how my project turned out, and I really like it. I love this color so much. It pops out so good on my front porch, but you can paint it any color, maybe gold, white, black, and just add a small Christmas tree on top. For this next project, I'm going to be using two very trendy items from Dollar Tree. I'm going to be using first pool noodles, and they have them in so many different colors. For this project, I highly recommend getting those pool noodles in white color or red color. You are also going to need some duct tape, and you can get the tape depending on the color of your pool noodle. For example, I get this pool noodle in white color. Well, my duct tape is going to be red color. If you get the pool noodle red, you can get the duct tape in white color, because what I'm trying to do right now is to create some candy canes, and basically you just have to roll these duct tape around your pool noodle. Super easy, and just one duct tape is going to be enough for two pool noodles. Once I have that part ready, as you can see, you can like move this pool noodle. So to fix that mini problem, what I'm going to do is to use one of these handles from Dollar Tree. Now I'm gonna try to put these inside of my pool noodle. Is the perfect size. Now if you want to put these on the ground, you need something like pointy. So for that, I'm going to be using this other very trendy item right now, the solar lights from Dollar Tree. And what I'm going to do is to separate solar light in parts. I'm going to like connect these two parts, and then I'm going to be putting that inside of my handle, and all of the sizes work just perfect. This project is meant to be. And what I'm going to do to put them together, you can use hot glue or you can use only tape. It's going to work just fine. And once I have everything together, I'm going to be putting the handle inside of the pool noodle, and the handle is a perfect size for this pool noodle too. Now what I'm going to do is to work on the top part of this candy cane. For that, I'm going to be using the solar light from Dollar Tree, and I'm going just to stick that with hot glue, or you can stick it with a stronger glue, and that's it. You're done with the first candy cane solar light. Now you can do these 1, 2, 3 times depending on how many candy canes you want for your outdoors. I'm going to be making 2 for my front porch, and what I'm going to do now is to basically repeat the same steps. I'm going to be putting the tape on the pool noodle, then I'm going to add the handle and the other parts of the solar light, and then at the end I'm going to be sticking the solar light. And guys, remember, like I said, 1 duct tape is going to be enough for 2 pool noodles, so that's a plus. And this is how the project turned out, and I really like it. If you want these even more stable, you can put them close to a wall, or like the sprinkles like I did. That is going to work perfect for outdoors, and it's just a nice tip and a great idea to add some color and a nice Christmas spirit outside for your home. For this next project, you are going to need some wood, and I just used some random pieces that I have on my garage. And basically what I want to do is like a pedestal. So I need a long wood piece and then 2 smaller ones to put on the bottom to make sure that is going to stand. You can use some nails, screws, and then add some hot glue so that this project can be stable and strong. As you can see, all of these wood pieces are very random in different colors, so I want to make sure that everything looks nice together. So I'm going to be using some chalk paint in white color, and I'm going to give this project just 1 coat of paint is gonna be enough, and it's going to look pretty nice because chalk paint covers really good. Once that it's dry, this is how it looks. Now on the top, I'm going to be using this really cute Santa's vase, and what I'm going to do is to stick that on the very top of my wood piece, and I'm going to be using just hot glue. Now what I don't like of this Santa is like the hat, so I'm going to change that super easy. I'm going to add like a real Santa hat, and I'm going to put it on the sign, and then you can add some hot glue on the back to make sure that it sticks well. Now you can do so many things on this project. I decided to make a simple and super cute sign for outdoors, and what I'm going to do for that is to use some of these arrows that you can get at Dollar Tree. They are wood pieces, really nice for so many projects. First, I covered the small holes with wood filler, then sand everything to have a smooth surface, and then I'm going to paint these using some Weatherly wax in antique color, and with a napkin I'm going to remove all of the excess of wax on my project. Once it is dry, I'm going to be start writing Santa please stop here, and I'm going to divide that on the 2 signs that I have. Super easy. If you have a Cricut, you can use that. It's going to look pretty good, but I just used some black marker for this project. And then I'm just going to be sticking these on my sign with some hot glue. You can use maybe some nails to make it stronger. And once I was done, you can put these outdoors and it's going to look pretty good. I really love how it looks outdoors, and I'm very proud of this project. It was easy to do, easier than what I thought it would be, and it has a very high-end look. For this next project, I'm going to be using these very big ornament signs that you can get at Dollar Tree. They are pretty big and they have like this tinsel garland around them. So what I'm going to start doing is to remove all of that tinsel garland. You can reuse that on another project, so don't throw that away. But for this project, it's not going to be necessary, so I just removed all of that, super easy. And I did the same for both of the signs that I have. Once I have the skeleton basically of these ornaments, I'm going to be sticking them together. You can use hot glue, that's gonna be more than enough, and I'm going to stick them together, making like a 3D ornament. Hope that makes sense. Now this project is going to be like for outdoor, so I'm gonna try to make everything like waterproof. Basically what I'm going to do is to use this plastic table cover in white color. I'm going to cut a small piece and I'm going to completely cover this ornament with the plastic cover. Now I lost one of the clips, but basically what I did was to use a piece of foam board from Dollar Tree and I cut it like in a very cool crazy shape. So yeah, that's what I did. Basically I want to make like a melted snowman, so that's why it had this weird shape. And on the center of this foam board, I'm going to stick the ornaments that I covered with the plastic tape. You can make a small hole just to secure that and make sure that it's going to be stable. Now I'm going to be using the rest of the plastic table cover to completely cover my whole project because like I said, I want to make these kind of like waterproof. So I did that. I add just a small piece on like the head to make sure that I have the shape of the head, and then on the bottom part I use some hot glue and tape to stick everything together. Once I have that part ready and everything is really well stick, I'm going to cover everything with this glitter drape from Dollar Tree. You can use this for so many things, and I think it's going to be perfect for this project to make my snowman a little bit more realistic. And what I did was the same thing that I did with the plastic table cover. I put it on the top. I tried to create like all of the shape of this snowman and the melted part of my snowman and the hat and everything, and I used some hot glue to stick everything. Now let's start decorating our snowman. I'm going to add a small tinsel garland on the neck to make it look like a scarf, and I add a small bow. Now I'm going to be adding a hat on my snowman, and I found this glitter hat at Dollar Tree in the patio section, and I think it worked pretty good on this project. I just stick that on one side of the snowman hat with hot glue. For the eyes, I use pretty big black pom-poms that I have at home that I also get from Dollar Tree. I'm going to stick those with hot glue, and then for the nose, I just use like a small plastic piece of carrot that I saw from my kids' toys, and I just grab that and stick it with hot glue. Finally, you can add some cute touches on your snowman's hat. I add some leaves and red berries on top. Once I was done, this is how my melted snowman looks like. I think it's just the perfect DIYs. I just love this idea so much. I think it's super funny and original, and I think it's one of my favorite projects. But I want to read your comments, so let me know which one is your down in the comments. Make sure that you are subscribed to this channel. So many new content is coming soon, so hopefully I'm going to see your comments and see you on my next videos. Mwah! Love you guys. Bye.